This cultural ceremony showcases Akko Emirate's rich heritage, captured in the conferment of Mai Nasaran Akko traditional title on Abdullahi Mai Agogo, a community development advocate and grassroots mobilizer who has come to identify with Akko Emirate on several milestones recorded. The Emirate counts its blessings in the last 1 year.
Special relationship with Masaning Akko, who is the son of the soil, gingered us to consider him, and that is why today we are commemorating him as the Mai Nasaran Akko.
The achievement we are getting from Akko, we cannot mention them, namely the Federal Medical Center that we have gotten, the Lincoln University under Malaysia, and we are here today to ensure that we support our younger brothers, our younger ones, to ensure that they have gone the school. We will leverage on the available our resources so that we will make sure that we support them the way we are supposed to do, and you could witness this one today. You can see what we have done so far.
While donating a bus to support the newly established Lincoln University Kumo, a public-private partnership project with the Gombe State Government, Mr. Mai Agogo restates a commitment to do more.
And inshallah, I will try my best to make sure that I do not disappoint His Royal Highness, our father.
The occasion reflects unity in diversity as more Nigerians identify with the Akko Emirate.
What I expect from him, he has started already. Now that he has donated a bus for the university situated in the area, so it's a very milestone achievement, and it has started showing his character and ability to assist. This assistance he donated the vehicle to is for the development of education in the area, and he promised to assist more and more.
The Emirate also thanks the Gombe State Government for its partnership to establish the Kumo campus of the Lincoln University, as well as the upgrade of the Kumo General Hospital to a federal medical center.